Bro, this is not good. This is not good. Fool, I can't do it. I can't. Y'all don't understand. Hold up. Y'all don't understand how bad I've been dreading this day, bro. This is gonna be so horrible. I am beyond terrified, bro. I hate ice baths, bro. Me and ice baths never had a good history, bro. I'ma stay in here. I asked on Discord, send me questions so I can answer in the ice bath. And so I'm gonna answer those, man. I'm really procrastinating. Like, I really don't want to do this, bro. I really don't. Why am I trying to be happy? Why am I trying to be happy? I'm scared, bro. This is not gonna go good. This is not gonna be well. Oh. Did I get enough ice, boy? I bet I got enough ice, boy. If I ain't get enough ice, hey, another day.
My year is different to your year. Dripping the sauce, the drip is so sick. I don't know why they wanna want me.
Okay, so you have to put the ice in before you know what I'm saying, run the water. I forgot, I'm a noob.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
That is a lot of ice, bruh. All of you, I hate you. I never liked y'all anyway. Whoever was like, this was a good idea, I don't like you at all. I put my hand in the water, and my hand instantly froze tight. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm cheating a little bit. I'm putting one water in that bitch because if it's that cold, this video not getting done. I put that on my life. It's time to do the foot test, you know what I'm saying? Dip your toes in the water. Dip your toes in. For real, if you really bout it, you just gotta jump in for real. The ice done melted. Oh my God, boy. You ain't playing games today. You ain't playing, boy. A lot of ice done melted, y'all, but I promise this junk, I'm thinking about just rolling in. Come on. It's just an ice. It's just water. Oh, man. Fool, I can't do it! I can't! My booty hole, man. My booty hole cold. I can't do this, bro. I can't do it. Give me the phone. Oh my God. Come on. I fell. Fool, that is.
You can feel a cold.
I can feel.
Don't send yourself into cardiac arrest.
It feels so bad. Like, the longer I stay in, it's like sharp.
How long are you supposed to stay?
I gotta read questions.
In the water?
Yes.
No, Joey.
I can't do this, boy. This not for.
It hurt. Grab that towel up there.
Bro, this is not good. This is not good, fam. Like, I've been standing like this for the past like 5 minutes. Come on. This junk easy, boy. First, you gotta unlock this thing. EJ, come on, water. First question. What you think of us? Like, be completely honest. I hate y'all so much. Y'all the worst ever. I hate you. Whoa! Would you smash Jasmine? Of course. Who wouldn't? What inspired your name? I was thinking in bed one day. Oh, you know that song by Kitchen of Poetic Justice? One of my name's Joseph. So you know what I'm saying? It sounds cool, like yes. Oh my God, bro. This is. Ooh. Oh my God. My booty. My booty cheeks, man. My booty. What made you want to start YT? Making people laugh always brought joy to my heart, and making people happy always brought joy to my heart. And when I figured out YouTubers could save lives, I was like, oh yeah, this is a job for me. Wow. Do you look respectfully? Of course. Do you masturbate? Go to church. Oh! What do you see yourself in a year? Very successful, with at least 100K on YouTube and good in a clothing brand. When you come to steal my cheese. Do you like weapons? Yes. Swords, axe, etc. Yes, they're dope. Eat a cup of ketchup? No. Don't talk to me. What's your favorite anime? One Piece, Cowboy Bebop. What's your favorite video game? Sonic games, Spider-Man, Miles Morales. Would you watch Boku no Pico with your family? Of course not. Of course not. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what it is. I do, but I don't. You feel me? Are you black? No, I'm Hispanic. Can you see me? No, you're too black. Ooh, would you charge for $20? It gotta be at least 100. Ooh. Are you? No, I don't. Oh, I'm gone, boy. I'm gone. Wait, who do you want to collab with in the future? Corey, of course. I really do want to record with Rico the Giant. You know what I'm saying? Rico, that would be cool. I feel like he like me in a bigger body. What you plan for the future? Get girls and get money. Okay, that's the last question. I'm done. Oh, my pelvis. Ooh, my pelvis. I'm done. Oh my God. My balls. I'm sorry, parents. I'm sorry. I'm just being real. My balls. I don't know what that means. I can already hear y'all. Put your whole body in. How about you go get somebody? My lower body is numb. I can stay here all day with my lower body now. Oh, yep, I'm done. Stop laughing at me. Ooh, my penis. My penis, man. I'm sorry, parents, kids watching this, but hey, I'm just being real with y'all, man. Penis is a scientific word, okay? My penis, man, it feels like a brick. I'll never miss another day ever again. I'm about to go live stream on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch, man. We doing a lot more live streams now. I love y'all, but I hate y'all at the same time. I'm gone. Ice baths do not recommend unless you play sports, okay? I'm sorry for the short video, y'all. I got stuff to do. Man, I love y'all, bro. I'll never miss another day. A video made to 100K.